Hey, how's it going? It's your boy Ollie here. I hope you are doing well. For those of you that have visited my channel for the very first time, a very warm welcome. Now, as you can see, I'm out and about and I'm on the way into work. Now, for those of you that have seen my last video will know that I'm at the moment going through a consultation process for redundancy. Yes, I have been told that I no longer have a job. So I was given this news last week, and yeah, now I am about to attend my second consultation meeting just to give them an update in terms of where my mind's at and what I've decided to do. Now, as you know, like I said, I mentioned in my last video, I have decided to opt out of applying for my role and consider any internal roles and take redundancy. Now, the reason why I've done that is really because I want to be able to focus on what's important to me. And as you know, what's important to me is to really work for myself and continue with my entrepreneurial journey and create multiple streams of passive income. So that, you know, that's where my mind's at, and that's the reason why I've decided to take redundancy. Now, I figured with this redundancy package that I'm getting paid out, it's going to give me about 2 to 3 months before I start running into the red, meaning that, you know, that's when I will start to financially feel the strain of not being able to meet my financial commitments, like my mortgage and my bills. Now, I obviously don't want it to get to that stage, so I am at the moment working on a plan. So since I was given that news last week, what I've been doing is been applying to other roles, and I've tried to stick within my skill set. As you know, I am a sales trainer, so I've been looking at roles within that field. The only difference is, though, is that I'm trying to refrain from applying to full-time jobs. What I'm actually considering now is contract work, consultancy work, which is kind of the same, and part-time work. Now, I'm hoping that I can find part-time work so that it will free up some time to be able to focus on the other stuff, you know, the affiliate marketing, my YouTube channel and all that good stuff. So that's what I'm aiming for. Or if not, then I'm looking for contract work, you know, work that is on a temporary basis. Again, hoping that it will give me that flexibility to focus on my other stuff. So, you know, that's the plan. And like I said, for the past, well, just under 2 weeks now, that's what I've been doing. I've just been applying to lots of jobs. I've got 1 or 2 interviews lined up this week. So I'm hoping that, you know, something will become of those, and, you know, some of those will stick. But yeah, you know, I'm just really carrying on with that plan. Now, I'm trying not to think about what could happen, because it's very easy to get into that mode of feeling depressed and thinking, oh shit, what am I going to do? You know, potentially I'm not going to have a job in like a month's time. So, you know, I'm trying to keep away from that mindset. And I am a strong believer of, you know, one door shuts, another door opens, you know, and I believe that this is certainly the case for me right now. You know, I'm taking this as an opportunity, and yeah, I'm just working on it day in, day out, just to make sure that I've got this plan and I'm working to that plan. So guys, you know, this is a short video. I thought I would just touch base. You know, it's been a while since I've been putting out content. So this isn't, you know, as you can see, it's more of a way of an update, just to give you an idea in terms of where I'm going. You know, this is where I am in my journey at the moment. And yeah, let's see what happens after this consultation meeting. Anyway, guys, I hope you enjoy the rest of your day, and I look forward to speaking to you on my next video. Take care, stay blessed.